Let's be real. For most people watching this, money is already tight. That is probably why you are here, looking for a way to make more of it. And the last thing you need is another program asking you to spend money you do not have just to hopefully make the money you need. That is not what this is. This is about giving you a fair shot, with the smallest commitment possible, to see for yourself that money can actually start flowing in without risking what you cannot afford to lose. Because let's face it, being broke is exhausting. Waking up every day with money stress hanging over you, constantly having to ask people for more time in hopes that with enough of it, you and God can create miracles. Praying for change, but knowing deep down tomorrow will probably look the same as today. And what makes it worse is how easy it is to get sold a so-called solution online. Big promises, flashy videos, strategically designed to reach into your already thinning bank account. But what you are sold is usually never what you actually need or what you get. That is exactly why this system was built differently. Instead of asking for weeks or months of commitment, it is broken down into the smallest commitment possible. Just $5 for 24 hours of access. One day, one clear objective. Get your first win. Prove to yourself that money can actually start flowing in when you are plugged into the right system. That is the power of this model. Micro commitments, multiplied by community, equal consistent daily cash flow. And here is something important to know right out of the gate. You will not get inside only to find out that the real power is locked behind something you cannot afford. $5 is all it takes to get paid from this system in a way that could truly change your financial situation in a real and tangible way. Today. Here's what I'm asking. For the next few minutes, give me your focus. Lock in, because what you are about to see has the power to change everything for you financially. Starting right now, this is people getting paid.